Hello everyone, this is Mansi Zodage, volunteer at Shivi Forensics. I'm a master's student and your mentor for today. Hope you all are doing good. So let's start with our interesting topic of ballistics, that is smoothbore cartridge. So let's start with our topic, that is smoothbore cartridge and how it differs from rifling. So what are smoothbore cartridges? They are fired from firearms with barrels that have smoothbore, meaning they lack the rifling grooves found in rifle barrels. These cartridges are designed to fire projectiles that are stabilized by fins or other means rather than relying on the spin imparted by rifling. In the diagram shown beside, overshot wads, pallets, undershot wads, air cushions, over powder, wads, propellant, cartridge cases. This is the cut section of smoothbore cartridge. Now you must be wondering what is bore. So bore is the number indicating the number of spherical lead balls fitting inside a barrel and together weighing 1 pound. For example, a 12-bore gun is a weapon in which 12 spherical lead balls of same dimension exactly fits inside the barrel and together they weigh up 1 pound. Shotguns have different bore diameters. The number prefixed before the bore represents the bore size. For a greater number of the bore size of the become less. In case of 12-bore gunshot, the internal diameter of the barrel is equal to the diameter of a spherical ball of pure lead weighing 1/12 of the pound, that is 1 by 12 of pound, 454 grams. Similarly, the corresponding lead ball weighs 1/16 to the case of 16-bore shotgun. Less weight means less material and hence less diameter of the shotgun it represents. So now we will learn how does smoothbore cartridge works. Smoothbore cartridges are designed to fire projectiles that are stabilized by fins or other means rather than relying on the spin imparted by rifling in the rifle firearms. Example of cartridge used in smoothbore firearms are 12-bore shotgun cartridge or .315 or .303 ammunitions. The diagram indicates clear picture of difference between smoothbore and rifling. So what are the types of projectile used in smoothbore cartridges? These are usually small round projectiles or slugs, single solid projectiles. How are the smoothbore cartridges different from firearms? The rifle cartridges are designed to be fired from barrels with rifling, which imparts spin to the projectile and enhancing accuracy and reach. But smoothbore cartridges, on the other hand, rely on the shape of projectile or other methods like fin to stabilize them in flight. So mentioned in the figure diagram below are birdshots, buckshot, slugs. Mentioned in birdshots, there are small pellets. In buckshot, there are medium pellets. In slugs, there are cylindrical slugs. Let's now learn about the cartridge components. Projectile, wads and rim. In projectile, the object fired from the firearm, which can be single slug or multiple shots, depending upon the type of ammunition, that is cartridge case, propellant and primer. Cartridge case, the container that holds all the components together, typically made up of plastic, copper, paper, brass or steel. Propellants, the powder that ignites the projectile, such as gunpowder or cordite. Primer, the small explosive that ignites the propellant. As shown in the buckshot shotgun cartridge, crimp is on the above, shots are below that in the case it is represents, and below shots there is an wad. Beneath the wads, powder charge which is in the head, and beneath that there is primer which leads to the ignition of the buckshot. Wad is a semi-flexible cup-like stopper that holds the projectile and pushes them out of the barrel. Rim, in some cases, a raised section on the cartridge case that allows the firearm to extract the spending cartridges. Now there are different types of gunshot cartridges based on the distance, like it is standard gun cartridge, short distance shotgun cartridge, long distance shotgun cartridge. In this you can clearly see standard shotgun cartridge, short distance shotgun cartridge and long distance shotgun cartridges. How does they differ? Based on the distribution of shots, addition of extra wads and main wad. After that, the presentation, how it differs from each other. Now let's move towards the example of smoothbore cartridge, that is 12, 20 and 10. Basically, 12 is very common cog for shotguns, which is widely used for hunting and self-defense application. 20 is morely used for smaller games for hunter who prefer lighter shotguns. After that, 10 is used for hunting larger games for waterfowling, hunting, etc. etc. Point .4 or not bore, a small cog, often used for smaller games for, like example is pinkling. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for listening me patiently, and hope you like the video. Subscribe to our channel, like, comment, share. Thank you.